Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video we are going to understand the program which finds first uppercase letter in a string. First, let us take some examples. For the first input, the first uppercase character is K, so the output will be K. Next, let us see the algorithm. We take a sample string geeks and pass it to first function. Now, in the first function, we traverse the string using a for loop from 0 to str.length, that is 5. So, first I will be 0. Str at 0 is G. Then we check if str at I is in uppercase using the isUpper function. As it is not, the if condition does not get satisfied. We continue with the for loop and now I will be 1 and str at 1 is E. Again, since it is not in uppercase, the if condition does not get satisfied. We continue with the for loop and now I will be 2 and str at 2 is E. Since E is not in uppercase, we continue with the for loop, so I will be 3. Str at 3 is a capital K. Now, the if condition gets satisfied as K is in uppercase. So, we return str at I, that is K, to character res in the main function. Then we print K and that is the output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.